Lan Ch'ao Niu. Sliced beef with broccoli. A main dish from China.
Serves 2.
You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Slice the beef across the grain into 1-inch slices. Place in a bowl. Add the sugar, soy sauce, baking soda, cornstarch, and cold water. Mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil and marinate for half an hour. Mix the soy sauce, oyster sauce, wine, sugar, and cornstarch to prepare seasoning sauce. Step 3. Cut the broccoli into 1-inch long pieces. Remove the stems. Boil it in boiling water for 30 seconds. Remove and plunge into the cold water. Then drain and dry. Step 4. Heat the oil in a frying pan about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir-fry the beef for about 10 seconds until it is done. Remove the beef and drain the oil from the pan. Step 5. Heat another 3 tablespoons of oil in the same pan to fry the scallion and ginger for a few seconds. Add the broccoli. Stir-fry. After 10 seconds, add the beef and seasoning sauce. CountryReports. Stir quickly over high heat until mixed. Travel. Remove to a